boys and girls. Today, we will use what we know about fractions of an area to help us find fractions on a number line. But first, let's review. We know that the unshaded part of this rectangle represents 1/4. The same goes for my pizza. If I partition this pizza into 4 equal parts, each part is 1/4. This one is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. And let's say I ate 1/4 of my whole pizza. Remember, in a fraction, the denominator tells me the total number of parts in the whole thing. And the numerator tells me the part we're thinking of. In this case, the part of the pizza I ate was 1/4. But can you identify 1/4 on this number line? Sure we can. When finding fractions on a number line, I'm careful to count the spaces between each tick mark between the distance 0 and 1. There are 4 equal spaces. 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, again, starting at 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Let's look at another example. Here I have the fraction 2/5. I know a fraction is part of a whole, so let's partition this rectangle into 5 equal parts. Remember, the denominator tells me the total number of parts in the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are 5 equal parts in my rectangle. We can do the same thing on a number line by simply dividing the number line into 5 equal parts. Let's try it. Between 0 and 1, I will make 5 equal parts, and each part is going to be 1/5 of the whole space. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Do you remember what the numerator of a fraction is? What does it tell us? Well, if my fraction is 2/5, if my numerator is 2, remember the numerator tells us the part we're thinking of. So 2/5 on this number line would be right about here. 0, 1, 2, right here. 2/5. Okay? So let's try this in a problem. Here I have a whole Pixie stick. Let's pretend 3/6 of the stick has been eaten. Okay? Then we will need to partition this Pixie stick or this number line into 6 equal parts because the denominator tells me how many parts are in the whole thing. In this case, the number is 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Each part is now 1/6 of the whole. So where would 3/6 be located? 0, 1, 2, 3. Right about here. Okay? And there you have it, boys and girls. You have learned how to identify fractions on a number line by using what we already know about fractions of an area.